Hey, automation enthusiasts, this is John Strauman from Microsoft's Mighty South region. So if, like me, you're planning on attending the inaugural Power Platform Conference in Orlando from September 19th to 22nd, you probably found that the hotels for the event are completely booked. So I've been calling to ask if any rooms have opened up, and the first thing I asked is, do you have a waiting list? Because I thought it'd be really cool to be able to say, put my name on a waiting list, and if a room opens up, book it for me. Well, they don't. So of course I thought, wow, what a great use of an automation. So I designed a very simple automation, and essentially what it is I created three Dataverse tables. One is my list of hotel rooms. So here we go. And I kept this very simple for purposes of the demo to keep it short. I made a 5-floor hotel with 5 rooms per floor. And then I've got a list of hotel room bookings. And as you can see, the hotel is pretty much fully booked from the 19th to the 23rd, which are the dates of the Power Platform Conference. And then I made a list, hotel room wait list. So the idea here is that a end user sends an email to the hotel and says, hey, I need a room from this day to this day. And as you can see, they requested a room from the 19th to the 22nd. And then I created an automation. So the idea is that the automation would run on a schedule every day and go through the wait list one by one in order of priority. So the person at the top of the wait list has the first priority. And if a room opens up, it books the room for the person and sends the person an email. Now, again, for purposes of the demo, I kept this really simple. I'm just going to manually trigger. So when it kicks off, the email that comes in requesting the room will initialize the variables with the requested start date and the requested end date. The automation will get the list of hotel rooms, and then it'll loop through the list of hotel rooms one by one. And then we have a get room bookings Dataverse list. So that'll create the list of room bookings. And I put in an OData query here to filter on the name of the room. And then I did a calculation to get the number of rows returned. And the logic I use is that if no rows are returned from this list search, then that room means that room is not in the hotel room booking list, and so the room's available. Now, again, there are many ways we could do this. This is just a very simple example and kind of a proof of concept. And so if the room is available, we create the room booking and then send the user an email saying, hey, your room has been booked for those dates. So let's take a look at this in real time. So we do a save, and then it's telling me I could do better with a OData query in the other filter. Let's do a test here. Telling me I need authorization probably to Outlook, which I do have an authorization for already, so it's just checking that. And I'm going to run my flow. Should run pretty quickly. Okay, so my flow is completed. I have all my check marks. And we see that for room 204, the hotel room is available. We see we got an email saying a room is opened up and your booking is completed. And it shows that we got our booking from 9/19 to 9/22. So the benefit to a hotel and an end user here is that just by sending an email and getting added to the wait list, the automated worker could run every day and do this work for the hotel and automatically book rooms from the wait list and then alert customers that their rooms were booked. So it's saving time for the end user and creates a very nice user experience in that the end user doesn't have to call every day. And it saves a ton of time for the hotel in that a hotel employee doesn't have to take the call every day and then search the bookings and then communicate with the end user. So our automated worker could really provide some value here, returning some hours back to the business and helping with customer experience and booking those rooms automatically. Thanks very much and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.